We have this BMW. We did a Android Auto CarPlay unit here. This is not a factory screen. In order to get audio, you have to select aux input, auxiliary input. It doesn't highlight. You may think it's selected, but it's not, because if you select, let me highlight this. Now if I select, let's say AM, see how FM is highlighted red? And it goes to AM and it's highlighted. But if I go to see, the AM is highlighted red. It's supposed to show whatever selection you make by pushing it down. It's supposed to highlight, but it doesn't. I'm going to show you how to fix it. The most common issue on BMW is the aux jack that goes bad. Under the armrest, there is a aux jack. This thing goes bad. This, we replaced it because the actual jack was broken, and even after that we couldn't still select this. I'm going to show you another easy fix besides that jack under the armrest. Alright, this is the trunk. You're going to take the trunk liner out all the way far back. Under this trunk liner, the two modules here. This is the Bluetooth module. This is something else. It's like a satellite tune or something. This one here, all the way far back, there is a fiber optic cable. You're going to unplug it. See this red light here? And we have a little junction. So this is the fiber optic bypass module. Well, not module, it's a fiber optic loop. So as you can see, it's just a loop in and out. So what you do is you plug this one into this. I'm going to put the link on the description where you can get it. So you plug it in. So now that fiber optic laser goes loop back into the car side. Let's see. So that Bluetooth module, since we don't use it, we're just going to bypass. Now I can go to the aux. See? It's highlighted aux. Before, I couldn't do it. So you go to entertainment. See, it's highlighted red. That's all you have to do. Just bypass the Bluetooth module that's in the trunk. If by replacing this under the armrest that doesn't work, then you go into the trunk, unplug that fiber optic cable all the way far back towards the back seat, then put a loop on it. Now you get this. So you get this CarPlay Android Auto, and you get the audio through aux input, which is right here. But most common issue is not the ones in the back, it's this. 9 out of 10 is this. And a lot of times people spill something, they break the connector, and you're gonna have to replace it. So I'll put the link on description so you can have this one as well as the fiber optic bypass loop, so you can have audio from that as well.